Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at metals and gold prices finding a home at 1225. We've talked about that plummet in gold prices. It's really been a one-way trade going back several weeks here, and it looks to me like we may have found a bottom when we got to that 1210 level last week. We had that low settle of 1222, low one-year settle. We are right now sitting right around 1225. Yes, today we saw a wider range. We did dip below 1220 briefly, but we rallied back up, and the market seems to be kind of trying to find a base, something it can sink its teeth into, because gold right now is getting whipped around, whether it be by rumor, whether it be by alternate investment. I mean, even Bitcoin found some buyers over the last several sessions and has rallied. So gold right now just sort of waiting, I think, for a few variables, a few things to fall into place. And if you look at the dollar really not having much of an effect today on gold prices. Yes, ultimately in the macro picture, dollar's been, I think, the driving trade for the gold sell-off. But ultimately today, not really much happening. We have ECB Thursday. That'll change possibly the landscape. Dollar volatility has been a bit muted. And I think that after the ECB meeting, as we look into the weeks ahead, as we get into the fall, things could get a little dicey for the dollar, especially with those midterm elections in November. And last, let's talk about what declining gold prices, what does it really mean? Well, I think one of the things it means is that there is rising yields. You've got a booming economy, and I think that's probably very relevant in the fact that gold prices have come off so quick, because gold is sort of an insurance policy against the what if, and it seems to me that there aren't a lot of people fearful of the what if, or if they are, they're using other measures to cover it. So right now, I think that the decline in gold prices is a clear signal that the economy, at least the perception of the economy, is booming, and that insurance may not be necessary, or maybe things are just changing. So gold prices still trading lower, but may have found a home near the 1225 level. The dollar continues to be the main driver of gold prices. But as we move into the end of the week, we have an ECB meeting that things could change a little bit as we head into the weekend. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.